Model, 65-plate Vauxhall Vivaro TRAFIC Sportive 27001.6 CDTI L1H1 non-runner spares OR repairs. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 141,232. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 PS BITURBO S, SE5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner, tries to fire, head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurising. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows, 2 keys, air-con. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,095. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999.